Can you tell us more about the rituals? Any examples of rituals?
Um, when you enter a temple, you're starting the ritual, regardless of the tradition. So if you're in Japan, you know, a lot of times there's a place for you to wash your hands and rinse your mouth before you enter the temple or shrine. At Shingon temples, more formal halls have a container with powdered incense. So people bow at the front door, they enter with a different type of mind, they'll prostrate, offer incense, recite prayers, recite sutras and mantras. It changes your frame of mind. So all day long, you're in the frame of mind of making money, providing for your family. You're probably, if you're in school, you're studying so that you can make money and provide for your family. And so that type of mind brings up a lot of emotions, a lot of difficulties, strife, and we have reactions to all of these things. So all of these things come up, and any kind of ritual meditation is an opportunity for us to slowly peel back all of those layers of attachment, trauma, all these different things that we bring with us. It does take time. You know, most people don't start really practicing until they're at least 20 or, you know, older. So you've got at least 20 years of things in this life to undo. So it does take time. So I always tell people, you know, they have to have some patience, but the ritual aspect of it, of entering, you know, following along, even if you're, you know, watching someone else perform the ritual, they're sharing their meditation with you. So listening to the chanting, I've taken people to Japan, and after the morning service, they often say that, you know, that was the most calm they've ever been, or they felt incredibly peaceful listening to all of the monks chant. So this ritual form is a way of kind of directly engaging with the teaching. And it can be very transformative. And so that's really one of the benefits for ritual, is this transformative aspect. You get transported out of your daily routine and you're placed into a completely different scenario, a different way of thinking, a different way of experiencing. And that can, I guess my words would be, it can sort of boost you forward in your understanding. So if you have some experience, then you can bring that experience back to your study. You can bring your experience back to your own practice. So at home, maybe you're like, oh, I'm frustrated. I don't feel like I've made progress. But I remember that experience I had at the temple. I remember that experience I had when I went to Japan. And that memory can help move you or keep you going.